Hello and welcome back to my channel Inspire with Anushka. Guys, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Guys, actually we are going to discuss about the natural resources. In the previous video we have also discussed about the natural resources, and in this video we are now going to discuss about the types of natural resources, that what are the different type of natural resources. So before we start the session, there is a red button where subscribe is written below this video, so just please click on that button just to catch on my next upcoming videos or to watch my previous video. Okay guys, so without doing any delay, let's start the topic. The topic for today is types of natural resources. So natural resources, firstly we must have to know about that what is natural resources. So all the materials that are useful to the mankind or the humankind are known as natural resources. Okay, so in the previous video also we have discussed about that what are the physical resources and what are the biological resources. So the plants and animals or the biosphere just come in the biological resources, and all the atmospheric things, land or soil things related to these things, or the water things also, that is the hydrosphere, atmosphere and lithosphere, all this comes under the category of what? Physical resources. So now we have to discuss that what are the different type of natural resources. So resources can be divided into the two categories, that are the inexhaustible natural resources and the exhaustible natural resources. The inexhaustible natural resources are those one that are present in the unlimited quality or quantity in nature and are not likely to be exhausted by human activity. For example, air, water, solar energy and tidal energy, all these things are the example of inexhaustible resources which are in the unlimited quantity. इन्हें हम लोग जितनी बार भी यूज़ कर ले ये कभी ख़त्म नहीं होंगी, और ये फिर से इन्हें हम वापस नहीं पा सकते, बट ये ख़त्म होने की चीज़ ही नहीं है, इसलिए इनका नाम ही दिया गया इनएग्जॉस्टेबल, जो कभी ख़त्म ना हो ऐसे रिसोर्सेज. ओके गाइज, सो द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द एग्जॉस्टेबल नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. These are present in the limited quantity in the nature, and these are likely to be exhausted by the human activities. Okay guys, for example, coal, petroleum, minerals, wild plants and animals, actually all flora and fauna and the fossils, because coal and petroleum are obtained from the fossils, so it takes a long time to manufacture inside the earth layer. सो दिस आर द एग्जॉस्टेबल रिसोर्सेज. अगर हम इनकी क्वांटिटी जितनी है उससे कहीं अधिक दर से, ऐसे भी हमारा पॉपुलेशन बढ़ा हुआ है और हम अभी डे बाई डे इनकी जो यूज़ करने की रेट है और अमाउंट है वो बढ़ती ही जा रही है, ताकि सारी पॉपुलेशन की डिमांड्स को फुलफ़िल करना है, बट दैट इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर द नेचर. इफ़ वी विल यूज़ इट मोर देन the rate which it is going to form, then it may be suddenly stop or suddenly exhaust. So these all things are kept under the category of exhaustible resources. These are the main two categories in which the natural resources are divided, and in some books you will also see that these are divided as the biotic resources or the abiotic resources. In the abiotic resource you will have to study about the cloud, wind, air, water, land, soil. Okay, and in the biotic resources you will study about all this flora and fauna, that is the plant, forest, animals and all these things. Okay, so and in the different book you will got the different type of division. Somewhere you will also see it at the renewable resources or the non-renewable resources. The renewable resources are those which can be renewed, that is the maybe solar energy or any of that thing which can be renewed, wind energy, all those things come under the renewable resources. And the non-renewable resources, that are the coal, petroleum, minerals, animals and plants that cannot be regained once it is used. So guys, this is all about the natural resources, and you may get some more things in the different books, but in the short this is the only things in which the natural resources are divided. So guys, this is all about the today's video. Hope you all have liked this session. If you liked it, then please press the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for giving your love and attention to me. Thanks guys.